Our restaurant, can you guess where our restaurant origined? That's right, Dubai. Our restaurant origined in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So pretty much, I used to have family dinner with my family back home, and I missed it, so I decided to bring it to Dubai. And then I just, a few years later, I opened up in public. Opened up the dinner to the public. So, and I also don't know how to play with my age, and people just judged me for it, and it was really difficult. So I decided to use a friendships. So I built a friendships film, and I started a company to write movies all about my friends and write songs about them. So, yep, Dubai's our original home. The first dinner took place in Dubai.